In this video, we will demonstrate how to automate a Salesforce application with ZAPTEST. We will run it in different browsers with a single test. Let's run it. First, it will be run with a Chrome browser. We will log into the application. Once inside, we are going to create a new contact. Fill in the name, the last name, account name, and email. Next, we are going to save the information and verify it. Then, we will delete it and verify that the contact has been successfully deleted. Now we are going to log out and switch to the next browser. Next, we will perform the same steps with a Firefox browser. After the script finishes, we are going to review the results. Here you can see the iterations according to each browser. You can also see that all the steps have passed successfully. Next, let's generate a test steps documentation with the doc functionality. Click a single button and in a few seconds you will see a detailed document defining our test procedures step by step. This information can be saved as a document or exported to a test management platform. And finally, let's show you how ZAPTEST can handle multiple devices. We will run a Salesforce script on a mobile and desktop devices. After the execution finishes, we can view the results according to each device and see that every step has passed successfully. For more information, please visit our ZAPTEST portal and refer to the User Zone section, or contact us via chat, forum, or email. Thank you.